So today I had my retightening, and tonight I am going to braid and band my hair for a braid out tomorrow. After my retightening today, I had lunch with my brother at Chipotle, and then I went to the spa, and you'll see that in the previous video, and I'll put a link to it somewhere up here in the cards. So if you didn't see the video of my retightening, then you can click on that link and take a look at it. I am doing my last braid. I didn't want you guys to have to sit here and watch me put all these braids in my hair. Because if you watch this channel, then you know how I do this. And if you don't, and you've not subscribed yet, you need to go ahead and join the G&G family. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Yeah. I'm going to finish this braid, do a 360 so you'll see how the braids are in my hair. And then I'm going to say goodnight, and I will see you in the morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am preparing now to take down these plaits that I put in last night. And I need to rush because I am running late. And yeah, I'm getting ready to leave for my birthday trip. And I will show you some of the footage from wherever I go. When I remember, I'm really excited about going. I am going to take my time to take these down, but I'm going to speed this video up so you don't have to just look at me taking down these things slowly. Enjoy your day. Yeah, that took me about 6 minutes. And you know I'm not finished, right? And I could leave my hair like this, but I'm not. So what am I going to do? If you've been watching me, you know exactly what I'm going to do. And if you have not, then I'll tell you and show you and tell you why. I'm going to flip my hair on the opposite side of where it was braided. And I do that because I believe that that way it looks like I have more volume. And last night I only sprayed water on my hair. Because I do believe, and someone commented as well, that when I use the Lotta Body, although it is diluted in my water, over time my hair gets a little crisp. And I want to see what it does what these locks will do without the lotta body. How long will it last? And will that crispiness come back? Because it's really soft from that wonderful shampoo that I had yesterday. I will see you guys again soon, but before that, let me do my 360. Have a great day. Stopping in for breakfast at Bill and Friends. So we'll see how Bill and Friends is. I'll let you know. It said best memories gathered around the table. Best memories shared gathered around the table. Didn't even know he had French toast. This looks good, y'all. I said, look good. Well, if this was the place where you put your horse, then your horse would eat apple till you come back. Yeah, tomorrow we can certainly come back down the street and find some treats. You want to walk around, just circle the block? Okay. Ooh, smells so good, the food. I think this is a little bit better, maybe. I think I'm gonna cut this off. It's aggravating me. jelly with pineapple relish. And yours is seared shrimp. Okay. Then you're going to try something else after the small plate. Looks good. So that's my pan-seared scallops with orzo salad, pickled local beets, carrot rolls puree, bacon vinaigrette, and you got a high five burger with fries. Looks good. It has blue cheese crumbles on it.
Bacon.
And bacon.